Alright folks, it's about time that I come clean about this. If you've been following me on Instagram, it's at GatewayStar2018. You would know that I got an elevator panel. This one was from the Marriott River Center parking elevators in San Antonio, Texas. I got this all the way to Laredo somehow. It's kind of surreal that I got this. And it comes in two pieces. So as you can see, let me move the top piece off. So it comes in two pieces. I'm gonna put the top one back on.
Like I said earlier, the elevator panel is from the Marriott River Center in San Antonio, Texas, which first opened in 1988, a year before Westinghouse was bought out by Schindler. So here's how I got the panel. I asked the Schindler technician and he gave me the panel. When I was taking the panel to my car, security stopped me and they kept the panel with them until they spoke to Schindler to verify that I did in fact ask the technician for the panel. After the hotel got in contact with Schindler, they ended up giving me the panel back, and I ended up taking the panel with me back home.
Read about this or hear this, that you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected.
Alright folks, so I screwed in the panel, and now I'm gonna press every single button.
And visualize things coming to me that I would want.
And I don't have a key for the stop switch. So what am I gonna do with this panel? So this panel is gonna be a display item. I don't really have a lot for the elevator hobby. I do have my weather radio collection over here, my Honeywell pull station over here. So it's nice to have something for the elevator hobby. I want to thank the people at Marriott and the people from Schindler for making this video possible. Thanks for watching everyone and have a blessed day.